In this video, I'll go over the two variations of project number 5 from chapter 7 of my book, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to the 555 Timer, Build the Atari Punk Console. This is not meant to be an instructional video, but as a reference to check that your completed circuit is working as intended. Project 5. After sliding switch number 1 to its on position, you should hear a tone from the speaker. Potentiometers R1 and R3 will change the frequency and timbre of this tone. R4 will adjust the volume. Project 5A. After replacing the 500K resistors with 1 meg resistors, you should now have a different range of control over the frequencies. Feel free to experiment with other types of resistive materials in place of R1 and R3. If this video has made you curious about the 555 timer, and if you don't already own my book, please click on the link to purchase it. Also, be sure to check out my other 555 timer videos in the playlist. Thanks for watching.